Here is Meela. She's getting brushed. Her coat brushed. She likes being brushed. She's flipped over now. So she can say, brush this side. Comb me here, comb me there. She loves being pampered. She loves being brushed. She just lays there, and so you can brush her down. Yeah, she likes being brushed all the time. Meela just loves being pampered. She loves being brushed. Yeah, Meela. She likes her hair brushed. And she likes to be rubbed. She gets her rubbed down before she goes to bed. Helps her sleep. She sleeps, we all sleep. Yeah. Not Meela.